Do you ever find yourself wide awake at 3 a.m., heart racing even though you were exhausted when you went to bed? It's frustrating, right? Most of us blame stress or a busy mind, but what if I told you the answer isn't in your head? It's in your biology. Today on Natural Wonders, we're moving past just tips and looking at the actual science of sleep. We're going to explore how 3 simple natural remedies, honey, essential oils and plants, physically rewire your body for deeper rest. First, let's talk about the 3 a.m. wake-up call. Your brain is a fuel hog. Even when you're asleep, it's working overtime to repair cells and process your day. It needs a fuel called glycogen, which is stored in your liver. Think of your liver as your body's battery. If that battery runs dry in the middle of the night, your brain triggers a crisis signal. It releases cortisol, the stress hormone, to force your body to find more energy. That's what jars you awake. But here's the fix. 1 spoonful of raw honey before bed. The fructose in honey tops up your liver's battery, providing a slow-release fuel that keeps your brain happy and your cortisol low all night long. If you've tried this after watching our short and it helped your routine, now you know why it actually works. Next, let's look at scent. Why does lavender actually calm us down? It's not just a nice smell, it's a chemical reaction. Lavender contains a molecule called linalool. When you inhale it, that molecule travels straight to your limbic system, the emotional center of your brain. It signals your parasympathetic nervous system, your body's rest and digest mode, to take the wheel. Studies show it physically lowers your heart rate and blood pressure within minutes. When you use your DIY sleep roller, you aren't just relaxing, you're sending a biological off switch to your nervous system. Finally, let's talk about your environment. Most plants breathe out oxygen during the day, but some, like the snake plant, do something called CAM photosynthesis. They actually release oxygen at night. In a closed bedroom, this creates an oxygen-rich environment that can improve the quality of your deep sleep cycles. Pair that with a grounding crystal like amethyst to create a visual focal point for mindfulness, and you've turned your bedroom into a biological sanctuary. Natural wellness isn't about magic. It's about working with your body's existing systems. Whether it's fueling your liver with honey or signaling your brain with lavender, these small shifts make a massive difference. Which of these biological facts surprised you? Let me know in the comments. And if you're ready to take this even further, get ready. Because next week we're starting our 7-day Mindful Morning Challenge to keep this energy going. If you loved our 7-day Glow Up series, you won't want to miss this. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.